On this video today, I'm going to show you an underground strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This strategy that I'm about to show you, if you are able to use it properly, you can be making up to $400 per day. You can make up to $275 per day. It depends on the effort that you put in using this strategy. If you are able to put a lot of effort, you can be making a lot of money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network so that you can find products to promote. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using Digits24. Digits24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for it and then join. Once you join, what you have to do is that you have to click on the marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are products that you can promote to make money. This product right here, the commission rate is $128.54. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. As I scroll down, you can see the next one, you are going to be earning $147.09 per every sale that you get. You can see the next one, you're going to be earning $149.40 per every sale that you get. The next one, you're going to be earning $135.03 per every sale that you get. There are many of them that you can promote. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them, and the best part is that the commission rate is very high. So even if you get one sale, you are still going to be making more than $100 per day. Now what you have to do is that you have to select one of them to promote. To select a product, you can set based on category, or you can sort them based on their popularity, or based on their earning per sale, based on earning per cart vista, or publication date, cart conversion rate. Any of them that you want, you can sort it and then find the best product to promote. If you don't want to sort the products using that method, you can come right here and then search for a specific category of products that you want to promote. You can see they have digital products. When you click on digital products, they have subcategories under digital products that you can find available products to promote. You can see under animals and pets, they have a lot of available products that you can promote. You can see there are about 150 products under animals and pets. So if you click on it, you can get those products to promote. There are many products, so any category that you want, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. If you don't want to promote a digital product, you can promote events and seminars, physical data medium, services and physical products. So any of them that you want, you can promote it. In this case, I have a specific product which is getting a lot of sales, so I'm going to show you so that you can promote it. Apart from that product, you can also choose any product that you want. The product that I have promoted and is getting a lot of sales is this product right here, Lean Bellies. It is one of the best products that you can promote. The product is new and is getting a lot of sales anytime I promote it, so you can equally promote this product. If you don't want this product, just search for the one that you want and then use this method that I'm about to show you. You can see this is the commission rate of this product, so anytime you make a sale, you are going to be earning this amount, $147.09. You can see the conversion rate is 21%, so it means if you promote this product to about 100 people, 1,000 people, you are going to get 21% of those people purchasing the product. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to look at the sales page. You want to get some basic information about the product, so just click on the sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. You can see everything about the product, so just take the time and then read on the landing page of the product so that you can get some basic information about the product. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. The product has a nice landing page. That is why it is getting a lot of sales. So you can promote this product because it has a nice landing page. Now once you are able to get some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. To promote the product, you can click right here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. But in this case, we are not going to be using the affiliate resources, so I'm not going to click on it. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to write an article about this product. It is a weight loss product. You can see lose weight, so it is a weight loss supplement that we can promote and get people to buy it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write an article about how to lose weight and then use the article to promote the offer. You can either write the article by yourself or you can use ChatGPT to generate an article. In this case, I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate a free article. So what you have to do is that you have to type your prompt here so that ChatGPT can write a very useful article for you. You can type a prompt like this: write a full blog post about how to lose weight fast and natural. So just write a prompt like this. Once you have your prompt, click on send so that it will write a very useful article for you. You can see this is the title of the article and you can see the body of the article. So it is going to write a very nice article for us. As you can see, it is writing a very nice article, so you have to wait for it. It has finished the article. You can see this is the conclusion. Now what you have to do is that you have to publish our article so that we can get people to read it and then purchase the product that you are promoting. So you have to publish this article. To publish the article, what you have to do is that you have to search for Google site. Search for Google site. Once you search for Google site, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first link. Once you click on it, you can see they have different templates that you can select and then create a website. In this case, we are going to start our website from scratch. We are not going to use any template. So click on blank site. Once you click on blank site, you can see this is where you are going to create your website. You can see this is the header, so you have to write the heading of your website. So just write any text that will just write any catchy title here. So we are going to write lose weight naturally. Lose weight naturally. You are going to type something like this. Once you have typed the header, you have to highlight it and then make it bold. You can change the font style of the text. In this case, I'm going to select impact. As you can see, that has been done. You can change the font size. So when you click on it, you can select any font size. So I'm going to leave it like this. Just drag it and then drag it this way. As you can see, that has been done. If this is not nice, you can change it, but in this case I'm going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you're going to give a name to your site. So just give any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type something like lean bellies, something like this. Once that is done, we're going to upload an image here. To upload an image, we are going to click right here, image. Once you click on it, you can see upload, select. Click on select. Once you click on select, you are going to see a page like this. Click on search. Once you click on search for a weight loss image. So search for lose weight, something like this, lose weight. Once you type your search term, click on search so that it can generate weight loss images for you. You can see a whole lot of different weight loss images that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, click on select. As you can see, that has been done. It has been uploaded. If you don't want this image, you can use any image that you want. Once you have designed the heading of your website, the next step is that you are going to copy and paste the article here. So click on text box. Once you click on text box, you have to come back on ChatGPT and then copy the title of the article. So highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you're going to make it bold, and then you can also increase the font size. So let's increase it to, let's say 24. That is too much, so let's make it 18. You can see 18. Once that is done, we are going to center the text. So click right here. Once you click on it, select this option right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have entered the heading, the next step is that you have to paste the body of the article here. So click on text box. Once you click on text box, you have to go back on ChatGPT and then copy the body of the article so that you can paste it here. So you have to come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back, you have to highlight the body of the article. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you have to copy it. So copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Everything has been pasted. You can see this is the body of your article. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that we have to insert call to actions in our article so that we can get people to click on the call to action so that they can purchase the product that we are promoting. So you can scroll down to the bottom of the article. Once you scroll down, you are going to type a call to action. So you can type a call to action like discover the best supplement to lose weight fast. To lose weight fast, just something like this. Discover the best supplement to lose weight fast. Once that is done, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight your call to action, what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on Digital Student Info. Once you come back on Digital Student Info, click on promote now. Once you click on it, click on copy promo link. As you can see, your link has been copied. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back, click on this icon. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been inserted. So when people read the article, they are going to click on this link so that they can get access to the product that you're promoting. Apart from inserting your link at the bottom of the article, you can also insert it at any part of the article that you want. So highlight and copy your call to action. Once you highlight and copy your call to action, what you have to do is that you have to insert it at any place of the article that you want. So just paste it at any part of the article. Once you copy your call to action, you are going to insert it in any part of the article that you want. So you can insert it here. So paste your call to action right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, just paste it at any part of the article that you want. So let's paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can also insert your call to action right here. So let's insert it right here. Just insert it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, we are going to insert an image so that our article can be appealing to the readers. To insert an image right here, what you have to do is that you have to click on images. Once you click on images, click on select. Once you click on select, you are going to click on images. Once you select Google Images, you are going to search for an image on Google so that you can use it in your article. So search for lose weight, something like this. Lose weight, search for it. Once you search for it, you can see different weight loss images that you can use. Just select the one that you want so that you can use it in your article. In this case, I want to select this image, so click on it. Once you click on it, click on insert so that the image can be inserted. As you can see, the image has been inserted. You can see it right here. You have to expand it, so you can expand it like this. Just expand it like this. You can see, expand it like this. I think this is okay. As you can see, this is now our full article. When you scroll down, you can see everything in the article. You can see our call to actions. As I scroll, you can see everything in the article. This is our article. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish the article so that we can get people to read it, and then click on our call to action so that they can purchase the product for us to make money. So to publish the article, click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you have to enter a web address. So you can enter link12. Just enter link12. It is not available, so 12a. Just enter anything that is available. Once the web address is available, the next step is that you are going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your article. Once you click on publish, your article has been published. You can see it right here. View the article. Once you click on view, you can see this is your article. So as I scroll, you can see this is your article. This is exactly what the readers are going to see when they click on the URL of your article. So you can see everything in the article. You can see. Now once you have your article, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this article so that you can get people to read it, and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. The first traffic source that we are going to be using is Entire Web. Entire Web is a search engine that you can submit your article so that you can get many people to read it. So just search for Entire Web. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on our service. Once you click on our services, you can see these are their services. You can see a whole lot of different services that they provide for free. Click on free submission so that you can submit your article and then get many people to read it. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select whatever that you want to submit. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see regular web page. You can see blog submission. In this case, it is a blog submission. So you are going to click on blog submission so that you can submit your article to get people to read it. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is you have to scroll down. You can see blog address. You have to paste the URL of the article right here. To get the URL of your website, what you have to do is that you have to come back on your website and then click on this icon. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link to your article. Click on copy link. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, the next step is that you are going to enter your contact. Once you enter your email address, click right here so that you can submit your article. Once you submit your article, it is going to rank on search engines so that you can get free traffic to your article. So click right here to submit your article. Once you click on it, you can see we have got it. Your article has been submitted. You can see thank you for your submission once more. Your article has been submitted, and they are going to rank it on search engines so that you can be getting free traffic without paying for anything. Apart from this website, what you have to also do is that you have to search for this website, free web submission. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on their website. Once you click on the website, you can submit your article so that they can rank it on search engines for free, and you are going to be getting traffic without paying for anything. Once you scroll down, you can see these are the search engines that they are going to submit your article so that people can find it and then read it. You can see a whole lot of different search engines. As I scroll, you can see many search engines that they are going to submit your article so that you can get people to read it without you paying for traffic. So you can see a whole lot of different search engines. Now what you have to do is that you have to submit your article. So you have to paste the URL of your article right here. To get the URL of your article, you can come back on your website, click on this icon. Once you click on it, copy the link once again. Once you copy the link, you're going to come back and then paste the link to your article right here. Once that is done, you're going to enter your name, enter your email address. So just type your name right here. Type your name right here. Once you type your name, the next step is that you have to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you have to click right here. I've read and agreed to the terms. So click right here, yes. Once that is done, when you scroll down, you can see other search engines. If you don't want your article to be submitted to any of the search engines, you can deselect it. But in this case, we want our article to be submitted to a lot of different search engines so that we can get many readers. You can see there is another option here, optional, include your website marks with your submission. In this case, we are not going to do that, so just leave this option. Once that is done, you're going to click on submit your site. Once you click on submit your site, you can see top 10 exposure across our network. So this is a promotion. We don't want to pay for anything, so just leave it and then click on close. Once you close the box, you can see these are the search engines, and you can see most of them your article has been submitted and others are waiting for completion. You can see success, it has been submitted to this search engine. The next one, it has been submitted. This one, it has been submitted. This one, it has been submitted. This one, it has failed. This one, it has failed. There are many others that it has been submitted. You can see a whole lot of them. This one, it has been submitted. This one, it has been submitted. So your article has been submitted to a lot of websites. Some of them, it is still waiting for approval. Once your article is approved and it's been submitted to a lot of different search engines, you are going to be getting a lot of traffic for free without paying for anything. So make sure you create different articles and then submit them. Once you submit them, you can be getting people who read those articles and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product that you are promoting. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.